everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Guys, today we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Chevrolet Malibu. This is an L79 Recreation, guys. Beautiful car. It was a 6-year-old, had a 6-year-old body-up restoration. One repaint, guys. This is a factory color combination. It's Ermine white and Nantucket blue. 327 underneath the hood with the L79 cam. Muncie 4-speed. Beautiful car. Like I say, it's had one repaint, and actually in the jams, it still has the original paint. When we bought it, it had the steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. I just bought those. I thought red lines would help this car, and I love this look. Just bought those. Are brand new BF Goodrich Silvertown radial red lines. Car's got front disc brakes, which they've added. Power steering. Great car, guys. Just a little baby doll. It's only got 53,000 original miles on this car. And I'm telling you, it's a baby doll. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Great car. This car is just sweet, man. It's just a great car. There's not a whole lot, guys, that I can really pick on. Just a pretty car. Like I say, great driver. I drove it down there, and we bought it actually at a show down in Tennessee. And then Jay's driven it up here, taking it over to get the tires put on it and everything. And it's just a great car. I like the two-tone. That's factory. Ermine white with Nantucket blue. Factory blue interior. We've got the original owner's manuals, the Protecto plate. We've got the cam card. I think there's a receipt in there for the engine. There's also some other miscellaneous receipts. But we've got the Protecto plate and original owner's manuals. Car's got all the original body panels, nice and straight down the sides. Those are 15-inch steel wheels with the dog dish hubcaps. Again, brand new tires on it. There's not 5 miles on the tires, guys. Pretty car. Again, they've added the disc brakes. That's a nice option. It's got front and rear sway bars, which is part of the reason it drives so well. Again, 327 cubic inch engine. Sorry, let that truck pass. It's you can see it's got the chromed L79 air cleaner on it. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got an RPM Performer aluminum intake. Does have the GM double hump heads on it, factory exhaust manifolds, power steering, power disc brakes, finned aluminum valve covers. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Yeah, that A-pillar chrome is beautiful. Looks like they put new mirrors on it. And I guess those are newer door handles, the door fuzzies and stuff. That may be original. Those might have been replaced. He said this is all the original interior. And again, when you look in here, that is actually the original paint for this car. Factory bench seats, got the stock shifter in it. It's got all the Fisher body seat belts. Leroy's favorite option in the world, the blinker tach. 53,738 on the odometer. Even the clock works, guys. It's got some aftermarket Stewart Warner gauges. That's an aftermarket AM/FM radio. I think it's called a Retro Sounds. Dual exhaust, 10-bolt 323 rear end. Again, does have front and rear larger sway bars, so that's one of the reasons why it drives so good. Again, this is your original paint in here. I would say this has always been a very nice car. It's got the old bias ply, Goodyear spare, factory jack. There's your Protecto plate, your owner's manuals. There's everything on the engine, on the cam card. This is also some miscellaneous receipts on the resto. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Killer little car, guys. Nice and clean underneath. The floors are nice. Just a good car. I like this car a lot, man. It's got a great look to it. I love the way the car's kind of left alone. I like the mods that they did do to it, because they're subtle and they add to the performance of the car. Look how nice these A-pillars are. Like I say, I guarantee you this has always been a very nice car. Leroy's favorite option. Parking brake does work, fuel gauge is working. Looks like all your gauges down there are functional. Just a little cam to it. Backup lights work. Radio works. Blower motor, Jay? Yep. Blower motor does work, guys. Well, that's a sweetheart right there. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. My son just added an Instagram page for us. Or as always, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is such a pretty car. great day, guys.